Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to turn on Bluetooth in Windows 11. Go to taskbar search, type services. Click on Services app to open it. The new window will open. Double-click on Bluetooth support service. Set startup type to manual. Click on Apply. Click on Start. Click OK. Close the window. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select System from the left side list. Go to Troubleshoot. Go to Other Troubleshooters. Look for Bluetooth. Click on Run next to it. Wait until it's done. Click on Close. Select Bluetooth and Devices from the left side list. Bluetooth is enabled. If you want to disable it, turn the switch off. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!